Hello everyone. We are running a bunch of errands today, including going to the trailer.
Yeah,
so
but Elise made a list of a whole bunch of stuff she wanted me to buy for the trailer, so we got that, and I also bought tire covers, so that'll be the main point of going out.
We have a few other places to go, so we thought we would bring you along. Okay, we're here, the camper, and I think I was tasked with getting stuff. So, we got, for now, a colander thing, wash dishes and dry dishes, a little poop thing, because we have 3 dogs, and expandable shelves, so we get more out of our cabinets. Alright, Dad's newly constructed camera. I haven't seen it yet. Okay. Let's go inside. Okay. First thing I'm gonna do is open the poop dispenser.
Then I got trouble.
Forgot I
got
got this
dirt in here.
This is not the right bin. Maybe it's this one. Aha! Okay. So, I guess while he's working, I really don't have myself in this. I'll give you a little. Are you waiting for me?
Yeah, I was gonna put these on. Have you film me putting these on?
Alright.
And then film what we got. And
Yeah. Which one do you want to do?
so you can do that first while you're in here, and then we'll lock it back up and do that.
Alright. Anyway, in this bin, we have bug spray and sunscreen and flashlights and poop bags. So we got a little leash thing. And then this is really all over the place, huh? Not really exposed. Alright, we got some of these cupboard bars for, we're going to use them in the fridge, I think. So. And then, I'm just going to put them in the fridge for now. Then we got these shelves that I was thinking we could put in the trash pile. Up here, I don't have a knife. So that way we have more room for cabinet space. Because we only have one cabinet over there. So, my plan is put this up here. But it looks like they've done some redecorating. Okay. Skillet. There's so much stuff up here that's not supposed to be up here. Oh yeah. We're cooking with gas now. Alright. So this is what that looks like. Okay. Alright, so we have these expandable shelves, which I guess we'll play with, because I guess that's not really supposed to be like that. But, for now, coffee filters in there. And then the only other thing is the colander. And then I'm just going to put that under the sink. So, the camper is definitely a work in progress still. We went camping once, and we were supposed to go last weekend, but there was a tropical storm, so we could not go. But I mean, we've done a few things, but every time we go camping, we try to make a list of things that we know that we need for the next one.
Alright, this is what I'm going to install right now. They're made in China, but I just want to keep the UV rays off my tires. So, as we all know, UV degrades the tires, and trailer tires sit around for a while, and so I'm going to try and protect them as much as I can. Here we go. Okay, you filming?
Yeah.
Alright. Not really a how-to because you just got to slide it over the tire, but like I said, the UV rays are very bad for tires, so trying to get this sandwich on here. There we go.
Wow.
Protect the tires while we can. That's the whole Magilla right there. And these were like $24 or something like that. I'll put a link below for all the stuff that we bought. You know,
It's all on Amazon.
yeah. The least made the list except for these.
Yeah. I make stuff for the inside. You do stuff for the outside.
Yeah. I know.
Besides the map, that was my idea. All right.
Right. We'll go over to the
So we have this old, I don't even know what this is next to us, but looks like they put some like vinyl.
yeah, to keep the water out.
Yeah, it's like wood. Look. This would be gnarly if all like fixed up. That would be a cool trailer.
So, anyways, this is the extent of our joy and fun with the trailer today. Hopefully we'll get to go camping at least one more time this year.
Yeah.
Since it's only the beginning of November. I actually looked for a spot close to home here this weekend, but
Yeah.
it was already booked up. So
Apparently people really love Halloween camping.
yeah.
We're in this Facebook group for people from Louisiana who camp. And some of those people are very serious. Very
Alright,
serious.
so yeah, before you do this, just measure the diameter of your tire because that's what it's based on. And then you can get whatever size you need. So, on to the next task.
Alright, so we made a quick visit to the camper. We were only there for like 6 minutes. And now we're going to the vet to get the dog's medicine? Heartworm medicine, I think.
Yeah,
And maybe
tick.
her thyroid
Flea and
medicine.
tick. No, just flea and tick and heartworm.
Heartworm. Which is...
Because it never gets cold enough in Louisiana to kill all that stuff, so you got to give them heartworm medicine all year round.
Yeah. Well, we have runoffs here, so I think we're going to make a pit stop and go vote too, because our voting place is right across the
That's
street.
the actual guy that's running. He looks
really?
like, yeah, he's like 12 years old.
I know, he looked like our vet is right across the street from the polling
Ooh, I don't
place.
know about voting. Look at all the people that are voting. I'll take you and you can run in and vote.
Yeah, because you can vote on actual election day.
Yeah.
Hi. She's waving at us. Okay, bye.
Alright, well, we can't videotape in here, but we are gonna go vote, so...
Yes,
I
because
changed my mind. I'm gonna vote now.
this is... actual election day is like the 12th.
Yeah, but this is early voting.
I'll be here this weekend,
So,
so we're doing it now.
alright.
Alright, we got our voted stickers. Where's yours at?
Mine's in the...
Okay, well, some of us have our voting stickers.
I got one, I just didn't put it on.
Alright, that didn't take as long as we thought it was going to, considering how many cars are outside, but they got that place. They got it down to a science.
Clicking. They got it clicking.
Where are we going now?
I think we gotta go mail that stuff back for your mom.
We do have to mail. I think we have to go to the UPS store. I don't know if she sent me an email.
Yeah.
Let's see.
You don't have to keep recording, do you?
drop off.
You can just run it in and then mail your...
I have to mail something too.
Yeah, so you can just run in and... So I'm sure they'll be short on parking spaces there too.
Yeah. Oh, okay. We're at the Sam's Club now. We got cheese.
Keto cheese.
Keto cheese and like a ton of cheese sticks.
Cheese sticks.
And pork rinds.
And pork rinds.
And gum.
And gum.
The keto meals.
What is that? Quadfecta? Trifecta. No, that's 3. So cheese, pork rinds, and gum.
That's 3.
Yeah, so it's a trifecta. Why were you trying to say it was quad?
You said that.
Oh, okay.
Anyway.
Meanwhile, back at the story.
Now we're going to get diesel. And then I think that's the end of our errands.
Who's errands?
Errands.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
So anyways, we're having a good day.
The Sam's Club is always amazing. Just a whole lot of stuff in there.
And a whole lot of people.
The parking lot is full.
Full.
And the interstate's backed up too.
The interstate's backed up. And I'm repeating everything you say.
I know. I noticed.
I'm glad. I just gotta find a diesel pump on the right side. That guy's got diesel, but he's filling it up already. Ooh, and that doesn't have diesel. Son of a biscuit.
How can you tell?
Because it doesn't have the green. So I guess I gotta do another loop.
Try not to go wait.
Yeah, I just have to wait my turn. The SS Minnow here turning.
This thing is like a
Land yacht.
I like those, the Expedition.
You couldn't have waited a minute, lady?
She could not have waited.
And that dude didn't even stop at the stop sign.
Yeah, neither did the lady in the Expedition.
Yeah, she looked like she was pissed.
Yeah, she did not look like she was having a good day.
Like her husband left her for a guy.
Okay.
Just saying.
We're gonna go now.